Agric Science as a subject in NECO, I want to give you the subjects, the topics from which your questions will come. You don't need to, because Agric is a vast subject. You really don't need to read up all the topics. So here is more like an expo that will guide you to write very well. So focus on these particular topics I will be mentioning now. Number one is basic concept of Agric, meaning, importance of agric, problems of agricultural development and possible solutions, meaning and differences between subsistence and commercial agriculture, roles of government and agriculture development. I hope you are following. Roles of non-governmental organizations in agricultural development, agricultural laws and reforms. Okay. The next topic to focus on, if you are writing agric in NECO for this year, is agricultural ecology, meaning and the importance of agricultural ecology, land and its uses, factors affecting land availability. Just read up everything about land, agro-allied industries and relationship between agriculture and industry, environmental factors affecting crop and animal distribution and production, rock formation, soil formation and profile development, types, composition and properties of soil, plant nutrients and nutrient cycle, irrigation, drainage, agricultural pollution. This is a topic that you should pay attention to. Remember, if you want me to send you this particular material I am reading from the syllabus, official syllabus from NECO, just do three things. Like this video right now, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under this video and comment, I have subscribed. Once I see your comment, I have subscribed, I'll begin to send you all other necessary materials like past question, this syllabus, timetable, and how to check your result. Okay? The next topic is agricultural engineering stroke mechanization. Under it, you read simple farm tools, farm machinery and implements, maintenance practice and precautionary measures, agricultural mechanization, prospects of agricultural mechanization, farm power, farm surveying, farm planning, principles of farm seed planning. I hope you are following. The next topic is crop production. Remember, if you want this syllabus I'm reading from, just let me know. Comment under this video, I have subscribed. When you subscribe, and I'll send it to you. Crop production. Under it, we have classification of crops, husbandry of selected crops, pastures and forage crops, crop improvement. Then study forestry. Just get your agric science textbook and study forestry. Under is forest management and forestry practice in West Africa. Study ornamental plants, basically flowers, meaning and importance of ornamental plants, common types of ornamental plants, settings and location for planting ornamental plants, methods of cultivating ornamental plants, maintenance of ornamental plants, and all the rest. Then study crop protection, diseases of crops. This one came out very well in WAEC. Pests of crop, weeds. Then animal production, types and classification of animals, anatomy and physiology of farm animals, animal production, animal reproduction, environmental physiology, livestock management, animal nutrition, rangeland and pasture management, animal improvement, animal health management, aquaculture, apiculture or beekeeping. Then study agricultural economics and extension, basic economic principles, factors of production, principles of demand, principle of supply, implication. If you are not getting what I'm saying, you can watch this video slowly so that when you finish watching, you watch it again so that you can grasp what I'm saying very well. Okay, and I will also send this material to you. Problems facing farm managers, agricultural finance, farm records and account, marketing of agricultural produce, agricultural insurance, agricultural extension. Then the second section, that is practical agricultural science, is agricultural ecology. Under it, please study soil, soil profile, study rocks, laboratory work on physical properties of soil like loamy soil, clay soil, sandy soil, humus, and all other kind of soil. Laboratory work on chemical properties of soil, irrigation and drainage. Study agricultural engineering and mechanization, farm tools equipment, tractors and animal drawn implement, harvesting, processing and storage, farm tractor, uses and maintenance, livestock and fishing equipment, farm surveying equipment. Crop production, study seeds, seedling, you know, fruits, storage, organs of crops. Because like animals have organs, crops also have organs too. Main pests and diseases of crops, planting dates, seed rates, plant population, and all the rest. So study of preparation of seed bars, fertilizer application, mulching, uses of pesticide, watering, vegetative propagation, germination tests, forest products and byproducts, methods of propagation of agriculture, of horticultural plants, common weeds. Then animal production is another very important topic. Common breeds of animal, major internal organs of animals like digestive system, reproduction and excretory system, and all the rest. Animals byproduct, animal feed and feed stuff and the local sources. So members, disease of farm animals, read up these things. These are the basic things. Fish harvesting and preservation. So other things like debeaking, dehorning, castration, horn and skin branding, and all the rest. So if you want more help, if you want this material, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you want more help, just let me know. If you want to enter our online group, just let me know. We wish you all the best in your examination.